Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about TrafficGuard for Info product. Here's what you need to know. TrafficGuard's comprehensive ad verification and fraud prevention have been recognized by App Growth Awards, Effective Mobile Marketing Awards, MarTech Breakthrough Awards, Future Digital Platinum Award, as well as Australia Financial Review's Most Innovative. What happens when you start using TrafficGuard? You save time. Your ROAS increases. You protect ad spend. Advertise and grow confidently. TrafficGuard's real-time fraud prevention keeps your traffic clean, increases reach, and drives return on ad spend. TrafficGuard's PPC protection makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to protect their Google Ads campaigns from click fraud. Getting set up is simple and takes just minutes. TrafficGuard actively monitors your Google Ads traffic and automatically blacklists sources of invalid traffic 24/7. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.